Alright, so I figured I'd make a video on this because I'm having so much trouble. The problem I'm having, and I've replaced all these injectors. This is one of the originals. You can see I cleaned it up. And I did clean it and spray it with a carb cleaner, Berryman's B12 carb cleaner. I would activate it with a 9-volt battery. But when I did all this, and I replaced 2 injectors that were no good, I could tell from hooking it up, it would still misfire. And the first one I unplugged, this one, makes no difference how it runs. You can hold it like this, you can see arc, you see this arc, and this goes all the way to cylinder number 4 right here. And I replaced the spark plug, because I put this back in. This is one of the originals, because when I got the car, this was actually pretty brand new, but I put NGKs with platinum in here, and it didn't make a difference. Tested the compression, 180 compression, it's good compression. I even took out the spark plug because I replaced the spark wires. They're pretty long. You can see this is the wire, and I hooked up. This is the barely $7 eBay injector. That's why I replaced them, because I don't trust them. And this is one of the originals. That when I put this, it won't misfire that cylinder. Put something like this, and it does spray like a V-shaped spray. Not as much as the other injectors. That's why I just took it out. Put GB Remain from Rock Auto. But I'm going to start the car. You can see what I'm talking about. You can see the hood shaking. Here's my fuel pressure. But when I disconnect this, I don't feel a difference. You can see the spark. But when I unplug this, I don't notice a difference. I don't know. Am I just losing my mind here? I mean, it sounds alright, sort of. You definitely feel a shake, and it has power. Fuel pressure. So I don't know, is it supposed to be the case? Is it supposed to barely change the way the engine runs when just unplugging this? All the other ones, if I unplug them, the engine does change the way it sounds. This one does not. Am I just losing my mind? Do I need to replace yet another injector? Because I replaced 3 so far out of the originals I had put in there. So am I 4 for 4? Don't know. Because when I got the remanufacture, I didn't put it back here. I shifted to here because I just felt like it. But the 3 here, I didn't know which one, because one of them sprayed almost like this one, but a bit more fuel. So I figured that can't be too bad, right? It's because all the other ones, the spray more like a wide spray. Was this one like the one that one of the 3 here? Because I didn't mark which one it was spraying more like a V shape, but this one didn't spray as much fuel as the other one. Anyway, so that's why I want to hear from anybody who has any idea. Am I just losing my mind? Is it really changing how the engine sounds? It sounds like it has power, but the hood shakes. Maybe just normal when the hood is open? I don't remember that being a thing. So I want to hear if anyone, what somebody thinks about this.